Hey, Jay Christian of Fear the Shear, Shear Sharpening Sales and Education, the hairdresser that sharpens shears. And why? Because our edge makes you limitless. So my friend from Maine, her name is Angie, her salon sent me 5 pairs of Hanzos to sharpen. So we're going to check these all out and see how they're doing. She says they need to be sharpened. And they're from Maine. I live in Florida. So if you're not in my area that I run around and deliver to, you can mail your shears to me. And the benefit of that is once I receive them, I'll send them back to you to the next day. So here's the first pair. It's a 6-inch Hanzo. Doesn't look like they've been sharpened before, so they're pretty much intact. But we'll see how they're cutting. I don't know, if... So that's cutting. There's a slight little crunch to that. It's not necessarily a smooth Hanzo cut. The next pair is another 6-inch pair. It's got a double tang to it. They look like they're in good shape. And again, these do not look like they've been sharpened either before. If they have, the person who's doing them is doing a pretty decent job at it. Oh, these are a little rough, and that's a little pushy on that pair. Now there's a 6.5-inch pair. Again, these look like they might have been sharpened a little bit. These look like they're used and abused. I say they've been sharpened because there's a little bit of metal taken out of that, and there is a slight bevel where the convex was. So these might have been sharpened before. And, ooh, they cut, all of them are cutting so far, but they're not the Hanzo cut. They're cutting a little rough. The next pair is a 5.5-inch. These have been sharpened before as well. You can see there's a little metal taken out of that edge there. They didn't create such a hard bevel, but it's in there. And how are these cutting? So these are cutting. Again, I don't think it's a Hanzo cut. So we'll get all of these fixed up for them. These look like these belong to Jerry, and I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. Maybe they've been sharpened before. But, I'm not worried about that. And these are also a rough cut. So we'll fix all of these up, get them back to the people who need them. I'll mail them back to them tomorrow morning. That's my guarantee. Once I receive your shears in the mail, I'll send them back to you the next morning. Fear the Shear, I'll be right back. So here we are back with those 5 pairs of Hanzos that I just sharpened. This first pair, I believe, belongs to a person named Nikki. I replaced the bumper. Had to get into it just slightly because these handles are not flexible. Cleaned up the ride line really nice, honed up the convex. And remember, they were cutting before, but they weren't that smooth Hanzo cut. And now you can see just plain good old cutting. The next set I have is my friend Angie's shears. These were a little rough cutting, but again, I also believe that these were the ones that might have been sharpened before. So I honed up the ride line, cleaned up the convex, put a new bumper in there so it's nice and lit. The tips close nice and well. I like the double handle. I like the ergonomics of it. It's a good blade. These were really rough cutting. Now just nice, soft, and smooth all the way through. And then again, they all slide cut like they're supposed to. This is the second pair of Angie shears. This is a 6.5-inch. These were a little on the rougher side. These have been sharpened before, but I did replace a bumper. Her tips close nice. To show you, they slide cut, but getting that cut going in there, just a nice, smooth, soft cut, as they should be. That's what a Hanzo should feel like. These are from a person, I believe, by the name of Norma shears. I replaced her bumper. Her tips close nice. They sharpen up, they slide cut well. These were cutting before, but there was a slight push in it. And now it's just a nice, smooth cut. And the last pair, I believe, belongs to a person by the name of, Jerika. So we got your shears sharpened too as well. Nice narrow tips close up. Replaced the bumper in there. The tips close. These I rehoned the ride line up a little bit. Re-softened up that convex again. And again, these cut all real nice and soft and smooth. They were all cutting before, but not that Hanzo cut. And they all slide cut. Fear the Shear, Shear Sharpening Sales and Education. Our edge makes you limitless. I'm the Shear Sharpening Hairdresser. If you don't live in my area, I travel from Miami Lakes up to Jupiter. If I'm not in an area, you can mail your shears. These shears all came from the state of Maine. I received them today. I'm sending them out tomorrow. So that is my guarantee. Fear the Shear. Check us out on our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Check us out at feartheshear.com. If you're interested in shears, you can look at our inventory.